So open data in general is something that we think is very important for countries like Nepal. So understanding that principle or that concept, or having that concept in mind, we've decided to celebrate Open Data Day here in Nepal as well. So the primary objective is to educate people on what open data is, how that can add value to the work that we are doing, and how can people work together to materialize the core principles of open data in Nepal. So in that sense, we have organized Open Data Day 2013 for the first time in Nepal. So it will be an opportunity for people to talk about open data, think about data, and how they can link the concepts of open data in their regular activities. So one other thing is, like, we believe open data is key for countries like Nepal, especially when we are going through political transition and we have so many institutions and organizations working on different sectors. So it's high time that we open up what they are working on. So it's about opening up with the government, the civil society, and even to a certain extent the private sector, so that eventually open data would enable citizen engagement and empower people to see how things are going on, be it in infrastructure development, be it in government services, and things like that.
I think open data is important because it embodies the notion of empowering an individual or community with information. Having information that is accessible, easy to understand, allows the individual to make a decision and to hold public servants or private servants accountable for that information. So I think open data is an incredibly important initiative and something that I'm very happy to see growing in Nepal.
I'll shake myself into your pocket, invisible. Do what you want, do what you want.
Hi, my name is Pranav. I work for the Open Aid Partnership that is hosted in the World Bank in Washington, D.C. I'm very excited to be here at the Open Data Day in Nepal, and it was really inspiring to see how many people were here to work on open data and continue being a part of the big world movement of open data.
Hello, my name is Gen Kanai, and I'm Director of Contributor Engagement in Asia for Mozilla. You may know us best for Firefox. We're very happy to be a sponsor for Open Data Day here in Nepal, in Kathmandu in 2013. Mozilla, as you probably know, is a nonprofit and an open source software project. And so for us, openness, open source software, and open data are both very, very important principles for us as a project. And so we work to provide our software for free for anybody who needs it. And we also develop our software completely in the open. From the very first day, all of our projects are available on the internet. Anybody can download the source code. Anybody can submit a patch to fix our software. And so for us, the principles behind open data and open source drive everything that we do. So we're very happy to be involved in Open Data Day, and thank you for your support.
Hi, I'm Gautam Raj from Mozilla India community. I'm here at Open Data. So, what is the need of open data, and what is open data is all about? Open data is nothing but making data accessible to the people. Even in Mozilla, we are trying to make web consumers into web makers. To do this, we are actually, we is in the sense Mozilla providing a lot of tools that will make people from jumping consumers into makers. Coming to my experience with open data, it was really nice to meet new people and share our knowledge.
My name is Shrestha. I'm from Germany. I'm a student at Heidelberg University right now, and I'm interning with Open Data for Resilience Initiative, a World Bank project. We're participating today at the Open Data Day, and Our project tries to create works with the OpenStreetMap tool, so everyone can contribute data to this map and everyone can take the data out for free from this map. So we've been talking to a lot of people at our stall, and like some fantastic ideas came up how the data can be used and how people can contribute, and what all the different kinds of uses are for this map and for this open data. Yeah, we're really glad that we can participate. We came with really high expectations, and yeah, it totally blew our mind how many people came here and tried to learn something about open data and get more into this open data stuff. So yeah, it has been a great success so far, and I really enjoyed the day.
Hi, my name is Jason. I come from Canada, and for me, I'm here because I have an academic interest. I study GIS, and the interesting thing about today for me is that in a country like Nepal, where you have so many kind of political obstructions at the top, you have all these citizens that have the tools and the knowledge that want to get involved. They just desperately need a way to be able to contribute. And having data that is open and free and available in forms such as OpenStreetMaps is a way for them to do that.
Yeah, the hackathon event was really good. I mean, we had almost 228 participants in the hackathon, and they worked on 8 different projects. And most of the projects, they were on visualizations. And I was particularly impressed by the concept and the output of the hackathons. And the whole purpose of the hackathon is to create awareness about open data and what sort of data is open in Nepal. Unfortunately, we don't have much data open, and most of the participants, they have to scrape the data from existing PDF or the existing website. So also from this hackathon, we want to create awareness about the open data to the organizations who are publishing their data in PDFs and not in consumable format, which means that the developers, they can't directly use the data, but instead they have to scrape the data and put them in certain open format which they can use in their applications.
I feel that the Open Data Day went quite good. We had expected around 400 to 500 people, and I guess there were around 400 people with 9-10 stalls, and the planned event went quite good except the small glitch due to the internet problem.
We also had a soft launch of opendatanepal.org portal, where we are opening up certain data set at the moment, but we want other organizations to come to us and learn more about the open data and open up their data in this portal. And the whole purpose of the portal is to create a central repository of all the open data related to Nepal.
Just to see what it is.